How to construct the morning alarm circuit with LDR. Construction of morning alarm circuit with LDR. Connect the collector terminal of the BC547 transistor to the negative terminal of the buzzer using a jumper wire. Connect the base middle pin of the transistor to one end of a 330 ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the 330 ohm resistor to one terminal of LDR light dependent resistor and one end of a 10k ohm resistor. Connect the other end of the 10k ohm resistor to the negative ground terminal of the battery. Connect the emitter terminal of the transistor to the negative ground terminal of the battery. Connect the positive long terminal of the buzzer to the positive terminal of the battery. Connect second terminal of LDR to the positive terminal of the battery. For full video, click on below link, or subscribe and visit at Book of Technical channel.